I am back with day 5. This is part 2. So this will be on the back of my Christmas ornament page. And I went looking through my little printouts that I use to kind of give me inspiration, and I came across this one. I really like the graphic look of this, but I thought it's kind of plain. Sorry if you can hear that, just a moment. Okay, so sorry if you could hear the timer go off. That was my load of laundry. So, as I was saying, this picture kind of inspired this page. I really like the graphic nature of this, but I was worried that it'd be too, I don't know, too stark maybe? Anyway, I went off camera and I die cut a bunch of my scraps from my kit using this Momenta 1.5 inch Alpha that I picked up at Walmart over the summer. It was on clearance. So I'm going to assemble this, put you on fast forward, and then I'll assemble this. So I'll be back. So I'm back. That went pretty quickly. Really like this. So that was my inspiration. This will be more of like a filler page. I probably shouldn't have filler pages in my album because it's getting very chunky, but I guess that's what's going to happen. All right, so I am going to put this page together now. Okay, so that's pretty much done. I'm going to maybe put some ribbon on this, put these back in the page protector, and yeah, I'll put some stills at the end of this video, and you can like and comment on what you think of this. I'm glad I did the different colors. I feel like the black and white would have been too much, but let me know your thoughts. All right, folks, so that is day 5 complete, part 2. And stay tuned for day 6 where I tackle that wreath-like bunch of sixes, I guess. So hope you are making good progress on your December daily, and I'll see you next video. Bye for now.